guys. This one is just in the frame stage, right? Just in the frame stage. Right, but I wanted to check in on my client's new home. This one is a super sweet floor plan, guys. It's a 5-bedroom, 2-bath home on a flat. 5 bedrooms, 2 baths. It has a really sweet floor plan. It's a little under 2,100 square feet, right at 21, right? Somewhere in there between 2,050 and 2,150, right? Notice it has kind of a side entry as you enter. Right, and so enter, there's this great hallway. Right, it's kind of at an angle. Right, you can go either straight or you can go to the left. If you go to the left, you're gonna be by the front bedroom. Right, this is a front bedroom. Right, this is a newly engaged couple. Right, they're engaged couple. They don't have children yet, but they wanted a home they could grow into. So they got this 5-bedroom, 2-bath home. They're young professionals, so they'll be able to have a work office. Both have a room for themselves, and then when little Paula, their baby, comes in a few years, she'll have her place too, right? Little Paula, right? Right over here, we're gonna have the laundry room, right? There's the laundry room, right? This is the garage. Again, they're in the mechanical stage, guys. They have the sheetrock delivered so they can get after it, right? They have the sheetrock delivered so they can quickly get after it after they finished with this mechanical stage, right? I think that's where the hot water heater's gonna go. All right, are y'all still here? All right, hope y'all are still here. All right, great floor plan. Right over, you saw that one. This is actually, guys, the doorway to the second one, right? They're in the frame stage, so it's not safe for me to go in it. But this is that's a bedroom there, right? Really great floor plan, right? And then on this hallway, we'll have the 2 remaining bedrooms and a bath in between. Right, so really great floor plan if your family needs a lot of, needs 5 bedrooms and you want it on the flat. Right, you don't have multiple living areas here. You have a really big family room, eat-in kitchen, but it's a really great starter home. This is over in the Fort Worth Saginaw area, and this one is this one was in the 360s, right? 360s. Right, newly engaged couple. This is actually, oops, where did I get to? Yeah, this is that last bedroom. She's pretty big too. Pretty big, frame stage. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right, here's number 4 right here. So we saw all the secondary bedrooms. So 4 bedrooms. We have 2 on this hall, 1 on this corner, and then 1 over there at the front of the home. Really like the way they separate these bedrooms. Really great floor plan. All right, and then finally you have a really big family room. Get that family room. Right, family room, eat-in kitchen over here. Right, this one boasts an open floor plan. So what happens is in the model home, guys, actually that's your dining room at the front right here, right? By this window here, that's where you would put your table. So it boasts an open floor plan. Right, they got this sheetrock ready to go, so they can keep on moving. Here's gonna be that kitchen. Here is the, every home has to have a pantry. Here is the pantry. And then finally, we have the owner's retreat in the rear. All right, so here's their room. Again, the builder has the sheetrock laid up and ready to go. Okay. All right, so this one is gonna have his and her sinks, right? Again, they're a newly engaged couple. They'll be getting married later in the month. Guess who's going to the wedding? Me. I like weddings. All right, so they have his and her sinks. Here's going to be the special place for their toilet, a special room for there, right? And then they're going to have a big walk-in shower. All right, they'll have some a linen type area over here, and then they'll have a great walk-in closet. Right, they really love this floor plan. We explored several builders. They were going back and forth whether they wanted to get a 2-story, with a game room, or if they wanted a large flat, right, with 5 bedrooms. Their main thing was having a home they could grow into. They just didn't want to get a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. They wanted a home so that they could have space, be able to move about, right, and then as their family grows, as their family expands, somewhere they could be comfortable for a while. So, right, every family had different rationales in terms of why they do what they do and why they pick their floor plan. So you got to kind of know your family needs. So this community is still building. They'll start this phase and release these lots pretty soon. Get this builder started in the mid-300s. They're going to have a covered patio. Got a really great lot in this kind of cul-de-sac. So they got really good spacing between them and their neighbor. They got a sweet backyard. They're going to have the side yard as well. It's going to be nice. This one will be ready later in the year. All right, so they'll be ready to take possession of this one. They timed everything right. Really good job. Focus on everything else. And then they will take possession of their new home. All right, really great floor plan. All right, guys, if you are looking for new construction, whether your budget is whether you're just starting out and you need an entry-level home, or whether you are upgrading, right, or whether you're looking for your forever home and you need to sell a home, I would love to help you meet your goals. So if you're interested in my services, you can always, guys, sign up on the link below, and someone from my team will reach out to you shortly. Another thing you can do is you can text me consultation to my cell phone. My cell number is 817-938-8828, 817-938-8828. So you can always text me just consultation, and normally I'll get back to you, within a few hours if I'm not busy or if I don't have things going on. So love to help families meet their goals, guys. So this family just started out, young couple. They said we're gonna hit it hard running with a new home. Right, I helped their parents get a home years ago, so it's good to see the second generation carrying out the family traditions of home ownership. All right, guys, y'all have a great one. Bye.